Should pop-up drink stands increase cash reserves during uncertain economies? Yes, pop-up drink stands should increase their cash reserves to better manage risks and stay afloat when the economy is unstable. During uncertain economic times, having more cash saved is very important for a small business like a pop-up drink stand. When people are unsure about their own money, they might spend less on treats like drinks, which means the stand could sell less and make less money. If the stand doesn't have enough cash saved, it might not be able to pay for things like ingredients, rent for the space, or help from workers. Increasing cash reserves means putting aside extra money when things are going well so that there is a cushion to fall back on when things get tough. It's like having a piggy bank that you don't touch except for emergencies. One interesting fact is that some successful small businesses aim to save enough cash to cover all their expenses for at least 3 to 6 months. This way, they can survive even if sales drop suddenly. Also, having more cash on hand can help a pop-up stand take advantage of new opportunities, like buying ingredients in bulk at lower prices or trying new menu items without worry. A big mistake some pop-up drink stands make is not saving any extra money and spending everything they earn right away. This can cause trouble quickly if sales slow down. Another common issue is thinking that cash reserves mean just keeping money in the register, but it's better to keep savings in a safe place like a bank where it can earn a little interest and be protected. Some stands also forget to plan for unexpected costs like equipment repairs or permits, which can use up their cash fast. To avoid these problems, it is smart to set a regular amount of money aside every week or month and keep it separate from daily earnings. This builds a strong backup over time that can help the business stay open no matter what happens. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobItTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.